All right, I want to look at this problem that's in chapter 2 on a limit. So this is chapter 2.4. I don't have what the number is out of the book, but we have this limit here. And what we want to always remember is that this relationship works. In fact, whatever the argument is in here, if I can get that argument in here to go to some type of zero, we will get a zero, or I'm sorry, a one out of this. Spent all the time asking you guys that this had to be about one, and I write it as zero. Sorry, as one. There we go. That's better. That's what we're looking at here. And so what we can do here is we want to figure out what's happening here. Now, if I look at this, cosecant is 1 over sine, and sine is, if this goes to 0, we get a division by 0 problem here. Cosine, though, if cosine goes to 0, it's going to give me a 1. So what we want to do is really focus on this cosecant part here. So I'm going to replace cosecant with what cosecant actually means, which is 1 over sine. And I'm going to write this a little suggestively. So this cosecant is the same as 1 over sine of 9x. And then we have 1 over cosine 19x left over here. And what I need to do now is this is what the argument I have inside a sine. So this denominator needs to be moving at the same rate as that denominator. So I need a 9 downstairs or upstairs. I need 9x over sine of 9x. Or sine of 9x. But to multiply the top by 9, I need to multiply the bottom by 9. Right? Our mathematician's trick, multiply by 1 and use a form of 1 that we multiply by. That works through. So we get 1 cosine 9x. And what we can do here then is this part is our identity. So as the limit goes to 0, this part's going to go to 1. Right? And I guess for illustrative purposes, if I flip this, this also flips. So we're good there. And that leaves behind this 9 downstairs. And what's going to happen as cosine goes to 0, that goes to 1. So that's 1 over 1. So all of this ends up being 1/9.